I'm Marilyn. I'm the community manager at iGate in Livermore, which is a technology startup incubator. I'm also a mother to a first grader who is 7 and a fourth grader who's about to be 10, a girl and a boy. And they're both very interested in computers and video games, and in particular programming. The concept of Hour of Code is great because it gives them an opportunity to do more of what they're interested in. They're actually both participating in that. They both did yesterday at school. So I think it would behoove me to make time to participate in it myself, because then I might learn more about what they're doing. But I think it's great. The more accessibility we have with technology for people of all ages, it can only benefit us.